Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are gonna talk about the latest MacBook Pro 13-inch. With all the questions that we get about which gadgets we use, here is our first video and it's about our laptop, the new MacBook Pro 13-inch, the 2020 model. Earlier we were using MacBook Air and this MacBook Pro is very different from that. This is the latest MacBook by Apple, very recently launched. It comes in two colors, silver and space grey, and we picked the darker shade as we believe that it looks a little bit more classier. So it has two Thunderbolt 3 ports with a Type-C cable charger, and there's a headphone jack port on the other side. The higher models even have two additional Thunderbolt ports on this side. So we have got a Touch ID here, and this keyboard, which looks really good, is a scissor switch keyboard, which they also call the Magic Keyboard. Then we have the touch bar here, which has a separate escape key. By the way, this touch bar can be totally customized as per your need. And earlier the escape button was the part of the touch bar itself, which is now a separate key. And there's a huge trackpad here. On both the sides you can also see the speakers which support Dolby Atmos playback. Also, we picked MacBook Pro because we use a lot of Final Cut Pro, which is a Mac specific video editing app. And apart from Final Cut Pro, we use a lot of Photoshop, Lightroom. Yeah, I think that's it. So here, as you can see, this MacBook comes with Mac OS Catalina, and there's 8 GB RAM. There's 13.3-inch Retina display with Intel Iris Plus graphics. The storage that you get in the base model is 250 GB, and this is usually enough for us because we always carry external hard disk. If you found this video useful, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and our website by the name of The Explore Store. Stay tuned for more.